This is a new thing we have done actually. This is pretty good actually. This is like entire video analysis into a one collection actually. There are like cast which identify who is the person who is speaking in there. It will identify what is his identity, what is his descriptions, everything from one video analysis. And inventory is like, it is like object detection, masking, segmentations, everything will be there here. That is like we can converse with the video actually, asking okay type of questions, and it will reply okay we have like this type of concept in this time frames. Any doubts related to anything you can ask with the chat system. Transcript is entirely for the purpose of transcribing the speech, into the text. It will identify the user's audio tones, what type of language he is speaking, and whether his voice is calm, emotional tones, everything. It will also detect whether the voice is AI driven or it is a natural human language. Then it comes to the code actually. Okay, this is pretty good actually. What it does is like it will extract everything like codes, links, and documents. If it is present in the video, it will extract here, and you can easily copy or download the files. And another thing is like you can also copy the command line. In YouTube videos where people will like do the tutorial, say like okay, you need to type these commands. Everything will be captured in this document. You can just copy paste or download the entire document. Filter is another good thing actually. What here we see is like we can filter it out. Let's say like we want to go into the frames which has concept related to the connecting the or wiring the Arduino. So we just say okay, I need to get into the frame which has the Arduino part. So it will find out semantically. It will search the video. Okay, this part of area has the semantic related frames. So I will just pull out the frames and display here actually. So we will get a list of frames. I'll let you show everything okay one by one. Remix is pretty good actually. It just generates the image and it edits the image directly from the video actually. It will analyze what the description of the particular frame, and it will analyze it, and it will put like a generate the image for a particular thing. And the quiz, it is a pretty good boy. It is just like you can add interactive quiz. You can play it in an interactive manner actually. Like let's say you want to learn, you already saw the video and you want to revise it actually. So what it does is you just connect this node to the video, and it literally provides you an interactive environment. It pop-ups the questions at particular time frame, and it asks the questions, and you need to answer multiple choice or freehand, everything. So at the end it will analyze your things and provide the scores. Editor is like if you have a long video, if you want to like build a LinkedIn post, or if you want to like know which part of the time frame or which type part of video is good for posting in a reels, what type of edit should be made, it will analyze everything and it will say okay, you have to do this thing. We need to add much more things to it, but now it's really small thing. Okay, so I will show you one by one. Okay, pretty good. Okay, this area is like for dragging the nodes. Okay, this is area for communicating. So let's start with the cast node right now. Okay, cast node. Okay, we connected this to this what, let's see what is this video is about.
Hey guys, if you're watching this video, that means you want to learn robotics and you want to build amazing robots. Well, don't worry guys, you have come to the right place. Here.
So it's full of pretty robotics related things.
And gradually
so we will able to extract the data from here, right? Let's see what it will able to. Let's see first about the cast, who is the person he is. Let's voice segment and everything, Then let's put the find character. But it's like let's put a transcribe node, okay, for displaying the transcription purpose, Let's put everything, audio enhancement, technical, and also we have a transcription to the target language. Let's say we want it in Hindi. Let's put it here and let's do it here. Then another node is like we want like code, okay, where we extract the document from it. Let's connect it here. Then another part is like filtering the frame. Filter the frame. Let's filter the frame for few purpose. Then quiz part, okay. Let's have a quiz part as well node. Now let's wait for the character extraction. Yeah, we extracted the character. His name is okay. See, we are able to understand. See, this is the part I was saying. See, we are able to recognize where he's from actually. Jitin Sanal, okay.
Hey guys, if you're watching this video, that means you want to learn robotics and.
So what he is like, what is description, everything will be present here actually, okay. So next learn the transcription part actually. Let's see what transcription will do. It's able to recognize whatever he's speaking, and it will be converting into a subtitles, okay. Subtitles will be displayed there actually. Then also it is able to convert into a specific language. We already added Hindi language, so it is able to recognize and it will display it there. So this is for entirely for transcription and audio. We'll doing a further processing actually. We'll add much more things, but this is just a showcase of what can be done, what are the things we have done currently. These are the suggested notes actually. What suggested thing you can put up there. Yeah, now let's visible, make it visible, okay? So root said, root said, okay. Let's see right now.
You want to build amazing robots? Well, don't worry guys,
He's
you have come to the
excited.
right place. Here, in this video, I'll be giving you important tips and
You
steps
can
that
see
you
it.
must
What
follow
are this
that are
like?
critical when getting started with robotics. If you're a beginner, these are a must. So, let's get started. And by the way, in our channel, you will find a lot of amazing robotics tutorials for you guys, so make sure you check that out.
You
The
can
first
also
thing that
change
you
it to
need to
Hindi
keep in mind
actually.
is, you need to understand and learn the basics of programming. Robotics without programming is ineffective, so learning a programming language is crucial. The recommended starting languages are C++
This is
and
a
or
code block
Python,
actually.
which are essential for electronics, audio programming, and many modern technologies that
To
use Python.
understand what,
At this point, you should be familiar with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, right? If you're not, don't worry guys, we'll get to that.
So we can
Arduino
also
and
move to certain area actually. We can also go here, and if we click here, it will jump to that part.
But the thing is, you have to be patient and persistent.
It will jump to that part actually. It's pretty good right now. Also, we can download the text, right? Transcription will be downloaded. Another thing is this part, okay? Here it will be able to extract everything. Source code, shell commands, documents, overlays, graphs and charts. Some part we have yet to do, but now let's go with this part. Let's see what all the things it is able to extract right now. Back to result, then scan.
Simple projects and gradually advance to more.
See, he has displayed everything. See, we're able to extract everything at what all timings we have. At what timings he's able to describe. Let's go here. It's able to showcase Arduino software downloads. Okay, which page it is? Software downloads. We have to go here actually. We have to go it here. Right. We're able to go it directly here. See, Arduino. Then
We have more videos to help you advance.
we have not set it like too much accurate like right now, so it's good actually. Document code, everything. We are able to extract every part. His channel, okay. Text overlays.
Here, in this video, I'll be giving you important tips and steps that you must follow that are critical when
It's
getting
able to
started.
copy the text overlays as well. So this is pretty good. Now the main part is like now let's see quiz. Okay, this is another part. Let's say I want to have a quiz with it. Let's say I want like audio, speech, spatials, everything, interactive mode, and I need 6 questions, 8 questions. Then I'll press generate quiz.
Started with robotics. If you're a beginner, these
This is like to off the interactive mode or on. Okay, so we can push up here, off it.
you want to learn robotics and you want to build amazing robots. Well, don't worry guys,
At
you
this-
have come to the right
at
place.
this,
Here, in this
you'll
video,
get the
I'll be
question.
giving you important tips and steps that you must follow that are critical when getting started with robotics. If you're a beginner, these are a must. So let's get started. And by the way, in our channel, you will find a lot of amazing robotics tutorials for you guys. So make sure you check that out. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is you need to understand.
Yeah, first question is popped up. And what is the first step recommended for beginners for robotics? You have option right now. Let's put the random
And
thing
learn
right
the
now.
basics of programming. Robotics without programming is ineffective. So learning a programming language is crucial. The recommended starting languages are C++ and
Now another question popped up, like which programming language is recommended for beginners in robotics? Or we can add like C++ or Python. Let's put
or
random.
Python, which are essential for electronics, audio programming, and many modern technologies that use Python. At this point, you should be familiar with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, right? If you're not, don't worry guys, we'll get to that. Arduino and Raspberry Pi are micro.
See, there's reason actually. It is directly pointing to the object itself actually. What role does the Arduino and Raspberry Pi DIY robots? We can say like, okay, what will you just put something? Really, I don't know, but I'll try it out.
Controller and microprocessor boards that will act as brains for our DIY robots. In the case of Arduino, we'll be using a derivative of C++, but in the case of Raspberry Pi, we can use Python to create scripts and control the robots. You need to understand the difference between natural languages and machine languages, and the importance of compilers to translate.
What is the purpose of compiler in robotics programming? Let's put this
Programming
one.
languages into machine language so the computer can understand and execute the code. The Arduino board is a user-friendly microcontroller board that's going to be really, really useful for you guys in the field of DIY robotics. All you have to do is download and install the Arduino IDE for programming the Arduino board. Then set up the Arduino board, connect to your computer, and configure it. Within the Arduino IDE, if you're not familiar with Arduino and if you want to learn more about it, we have a complete dedicated video tutorial for Arduino where we explain different aspects of Arduino platform, the Arduino sketch, the Arduino board, as well as the Arduino IDE. So make sure you check that out. The next thing is you need to make sure that you understand the basics of
What is the second foundational area? Basic of electronics.
electronics. Electronics is the foundation. Without the foundation of robotics, we cannot move forward. You have to learn how to make
Which the components are mentioned as the building blocks. Resistance, capacitance.
basic components like resistors, transistors, capacitors. They all work, and how they all work together to make meaningful and useful circuits. Like, for example, turning on a bulb connected to a relay when the reading from a photoresistor goes below a certain threshold. Next, you need to learn how different kinds of sensors work, how the actuators work. For example, DC
What are some example factors DC motor? Okay.
servo motors, all these kinds of motors that are used in robotics. And after that, you need to learn how to get the readings from the sensors to the microcontroller and control the DC motor or servo motor or whatever actuator you are using with respect to the value that we got from the sensor.
Be patient.
Failures are stepping stones.
So it will automatically.
Start to keep a few things in mind before getting started with anything.
Sort
Understand
of
the
it.
basics.
Yeah, I randomly. Okay. Learning the basic of programming. Okay. we'll get the answer everything. You can just download it, okay? Quiz questions, you're able to download it as well, okay? Let's clean it up right now. The another thing is, okay, this thing I said, robots are present. All the frames where robots are present. I want to see where all the section where robots are present, in order to understand. So let's see what are the things it will get us, Yeah, this part is like the robot with zero battery. See, this is the part I told, You can check the frames where robots are present, this section.
Here in this video, I'll be giving you important tips and steps that you must follow to record audio when we explain different aspects of audio track, the audio sketch, the audio board, as well as the audio ID. And you can check out this channel where we have uploaded many robots tutorials that explain important. If you're interested in further your knowledge in robots,
this is good actually. It will semantic research everything. May understand it. Now this is pretty good, Let's say I want to identify show bounding box, unique objects. What I want to identify right now? I want to identify robots, Robots. I want to identify robots right now. It will scan everything and it will give us the robots. Yeah, we are able to know the robots right here. What are the robots? Let's click here right now. See, this is able to identify right now. This is the robot way, a robot arm on chassis, and we know 6-wheel robot right now. Now let's pass. This is a 6-wheel robot, and a robot dog. This is a robot dog. It need to be here actually. Sometimes I guess it is identification problem. We have hexapod robot. This is a robot for hexapod. Then track robot. This is a trackpod robot. Then 4-wheel robot. This is a 4-wheel robot. It's pretty good. You are able to identify everything in this thing, okay? Like you can just search it out and it will identify semantically, and it will put
this video, I'll be giving you important tips.
Put a frame over it actually. This is you can disable or enable. Disable. Now this one we have to analyze. Let's say I want to post it in a LinkedIn or some reels, okay? It will identify which part of video we have to analyze it. It does many things actually, or many things get to do actually, okay? Let's say it has given me everything. What are the things we have to keep? What are the things we don't have to keep? It's analyze everything. What is the idea we have to keep for that? We can keep this thing. When you click,
The Arduino board is the user-friendly microcontroller board that's going to be real congrats. At this point, you should be able to make your own small.
So yeah, now let's see another part is the composer thing, okay? It's pretty good actually. Let's say I want to have like a description about this thing actually right now. It is scanning the scene actually. What is that scene is about? Let's generate. It is getting a description about this frame actually. Let's put the generate asset actually. See, it generated a similar photo actually related to that. You can do any variation actually. Let's say I want a variation of it. Just press variation, it will run again. Just a variation of same photos, what are the photos we want, but in a different frame. Let's discard it and let's say I want like in anime manner. Okay, then I'll just generate. It's not anime, but why it's not anime? I guess there's a bug, but it's okay. Let will fix it. Let's put discard. Let's give a prompt actually. Let's not give. Let's see what this will give us right now. The variation of same thing, right? So let's say I don't want this one actually.
Robots with or without microcontroller.
I want to like move into the area where another transcription is present actually. Let's say I want to go into area. This thing is for the manual upload, okay? It will not make a scene actually in YouTube. When you do a manual upload, it will have much more things. Let's generate it now. See, now it is an anime actually. You can download actually. I can see. Let's say we discard and we say that sketch. Wow, it's super, right? Let's say cyberpunk. Some things we already seen, right? That is the main part right now. This is the part of the video. I'll show the manual upload tomorrow.